Come on, not doing that. I'm just a noob. I just want an easy wave challenge. About this. There we go. For me, this is a little challenging. But for other famous players or some pro players, this is really easy. But for me, no. For me, this is an insane difficulty. This is hard. For me. I really gotta stop yapping. I'm sorry if I'm being a Yapatron's Prime. That's a little